how to enable strict mode on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to catch lag, slow UI or bad coding behavior on your Android device, well, in this video I'll show you how to enable strict mode. So now without further ado, let's get started. So for this, we need to enable the developer option first. So to do that, simply open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply tap on About Phone option. And now here, on this page, to enable the developer mode, you simply have to tap on your build number 7 times. And here, once you have enabled the developer options, simply go back to the main settings, and from here simply scroll down and tap on additional settings. And now here, once you are inside the additional settings, simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. And now here, once you are inside the developer options, you simply have to search for strict mode. So simply search for strict mode, and here, once you have located the strict mode option, you simply have to toggle it on. And once you have enabled the strict mode, your screen will flash red anytime if an app does something it shouldn't, like performing long operations on the main thread. And that's it. That's how you can enable strict mode on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.